So, welcome to Troubles with the Russells, and today we're having a look at the Tsokkos Hotel here in Ayia Napa. So let's have a look at the room. This is going to be an eye-opener.
Well, it's Nigel and Julie, a fun-loving pair. In their 60s, they don't have a care.
So number 26 in Avocado, ground floor. But, well, I don't know if you can see here, these are spider webs. The air conditioning thing with one battery, it needs two, but it doesn't work anyway, the air conditioning isn't working. Filthy. Go down here to the floor. There. Spider webs. Swallowing up stuff. Although we're on half board, look at this. This is glass, it's smashed. Very dangerous. Condition will have grubby. And again, we're half board, so it don't apply, but as you can see, the plates are all way dirty. Broken. Sink's got a good crack in it. See if I can find anything positive. Well, not really. If I look behind the television, then all I can see down there are spider webs. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe if I draw in it, this is just dirt, filth, dust. When we came in, the switches, the touch points, such as these, are all covered in blood. You can see the blood on the wall here. Well, I've wiped them subsequently, so we can turn them off and sterilise them, but that switch is covered in blood. This switch was covered in blood. Again. I know these people don't have much time to turn a room round, but and I don't normally complain. And let's look in the cupboard. Oh, God knows. Well, this is a shower curtain, but again, it seems to be covered in blood. Getting psycho vibes here. Floor safe, which is extra charge. Everything's very tired. It's June, so the season's underway. Bathroom, again, much the same. Very tired, window doesn't shut. So, doesn't close, can't close it. Maybe if I go and bray it from the outside. Not exactly what I was expecting of Paradise Holiday Village. Although the air conditioning units look new, they don't seem to function, they don't work. So they discombobulated them, possibly charging extra in the summertime, which is getting there now. It's like 30 degrees here. Yeah. Give it that. Plenty of wall sockets. If you're wondering where Julie's gone, she's gone to complain and ask for some cleaning materials to clean the place. I'll find out later, but I believe this place is used by Jet2. And there's also TUI, amongst other holiday companies. Don't know what's in this cupboard. Oh, nothing. There seems to be a sheet covering this, what I would assume would be a flop-out bed for the kids. Yeah. Be better with a throw on it, but maybe a sheet if you're going to use it.
It's not clean.
So plenty of UK style wall sockets, which is fine. Nice size fridge. These are the good points. Broken equipment, don't worry about that. We're on half board here. So television with only Cyprus TV. There's no satellite, there's no sports channels, there's no Sky, there's no BBC. So only, unfortunately, only local TV. As I said earlier, the air conditioning, which doesn't seem to work. So we have had housekeeping round to have a look, and they've agreed that it's pretty grotty when there's blood on the switches and things, and they've given it a quick clean over. Well, Julie has anyway. Well, no, they have given it a quick clean over, and they're going to give it a thorough do tomorrow, so they say. So we'll see. I'm not going to dwell on it. Make the most of it. Basic bathroom shower. Again, and a bath.
Just full of cobwebs and
Cobwebs everywhere. Towels seem okay. Hair dryer. One of those things. Does work. Plenty of soaps and things for the bath. Shampoo and conditioner, etc. It's just generally very dated, quite shabby really. Quite disappointing for the money you pay. By the way, this is a junior suite. So, you know, my idea of a junior suite and their idea of a junior suite, obviously rather different. Suite, it is not, well, I suppose you could say it's a suite of rooms.
I don't mind dated. It's the fact that it was
Cleanliness.
it was so dirty.
Don't expect things like USB points or anything like that, because there just isn't any. Nothing modern. There's no television in the bedroom, and again there is air conditioning, but it doesn't seem to work. And of course we are used to air conditioning, so it's not our lack of how to operate it. It's just not on. Oh, map of Tsokkos Paradise Village. And as it says, we are here. So that's our room review of this hotel. As I say, quite disappointing. This hotel is part of a very large chain of kind of upmarket hotels, 5-star beach resort hotels. Its location isn't bad. It's just across the road from a major beach, and just down the road from Nissi Beach in Ayia Napa, and it's a 4-kilometre walk into Ayia Napa town. So, and the main bus route runs along the bottom. So we'll do of course we'll do a hotel review, and we'll show you the food and the breakfasts and the evening meals, and we'll see how they go. All right, well, thanks ever so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Well, by the way, if you're interested, here's the terrace, because we're on the ground floor. So you get quite a nice little private terrace area. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Well, the sun's arising in the morning light, grabbing our bags, we're ready for a flight. Got the map laid out on where will we go. Cyprus calls our names, it's the place we love so. From the UK